Tonight I have a brand new flavor. I've never tried this flavor before. It's supposed to be absolute goodness if you ask me. Right here is Yakisoba Korean BBQ flavored Ramen Noodles. Absolute goodness. Now this is Maruchan. It says it's supposed to take 4 minutes to make. I'm probably going to cook this in the microwave for about 3 minutes and 52 seconds because I like my ramen noodles al dente. So let me go get started with this Korean flavored barbecue. Absolute goodness. So I'm going to take my fork and I'm just going to open it up, the package. You see it's a nice packaging right here. They tend to make their fancier ramen noodles in nicer packaging, I guess, to appeal to people who have an exquisite taste more. All right, so right here it has the instructions. It says open the lid halfway, only remove the 2 packets. Open 1 packet, sprinkle packet. This is so fancy. I'm not used to all this, so bear with me while I read the instructions right here. So it says 2 open packet, 1, what? Wait. Part 2, open packet 1, sprinkled packet, contents between the space between the noodles and container. Gently shake. You know what? I'm going to do this in steps. So first step is open lid halfway to remove the packets. All right, so I'm going to halfway. Let me go ahead and do it halfway. All right, is that halfway? That looks about halfway. So I'm going to remove the packets. Now, this says packet number. This must be 1 because this one says 2 quite clearly in plain French. All right, so I'm going to put these to the side. All right, so I pulled them out halfway. Excuse me. Absolute goodness. So it says right here, packet number 1, sprinkle packet contents in the space between the noodle and the container. All right, so this space or underneath this space. Let's see. I'm going to do it right here. Oh, it's showing me right here. Right there. So packet number 1. Go ahead and get that going right there. And then cut on back. And it says the space between. All right. Put that into the space between. And it says shake. So I'm going to shake it like that. And then go on to the next one. It says 3. Pour on top of the noodles and add water to the fill line indicated as the arrows below. Let's see if I can find the lines. There goes the line right. Oh, fill line. It says fill line right there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So right here I have my nice glass of H200. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill it to the line. Fill it to the line. All right. So now I can bring it up here. So I'm going to have to zoom in a little bit so I can see this a little bit. It says 4 closed lid, microwave for 4 minutos, but in my case, I'm going to do it for 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Absolute goodness. All right, it says afterwards, grab the corners, carefully remove from the microwave. Then I'll read that later, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in for 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Absolutely. After 3 minutes and 52 seconds, it should be al dente. Now I'm going to check and see what this says right here. So it says grabs a corner, carefully remove because it can be hot. All right, so I'm going to peel this back because it says peel this back and then put part 2 in, mix in the powder and enjoy. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this back. So I'm guessing the first part was nothing but the vegetables. Okay, make sure you eat the vegetables. And then go ahead. Ramen Noodles. Absolute goodness.